Welcome to Travel, Learn, Repeat. Please like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to click on the bell icon.
Discover the charm of Nice, France in the heart of the French Riviera. In this video, I take you along on my July trip to Nice, where I stayed in front of the famous Promenade des Anglais with a breathtaking view of the Mediterranean. From relaxing seaside walks in the early morning and evening, to exploring Vieux Nice Old Town and its lively market, this trip was full of unforgettable moments. During my 3-day stay in Nice, I also took day trip to Èze Village, Monaco, Castle Hill. However, I skipped artistic Saint-Paul-de-Vence village. The fairy tale Èze Village, please see my other video on Èze Village. The glamorous Monaco, it is the second smallest country in the world, with total area about 2.02 square kilometers, next to Vatican City, which is about 0.49 square kilometers. Please see my other video on Monaco. The artistic Saint-Paul-de-Vence is a stunning medieval village perched on a hill. I skipped Saint-Paul-de-Vence, instead visited Èze Village. One highlight of my trip was riding the tourist train up to Castle Hill, Colline du Château. Fun fact, despite the name, the castle was destroyed in 1706 by King Louis XIV. Today it's a beautiful public park. From the top, enjoy panoramic views of Nice, the Bay of Angels, and the stunning coastline. 5 tips for visiting Nice, France. 1. Use public transportation. Trams and buses are efficient and affordable. Taxi and Uber services are also reliable. 2. Prepare for summer heat. July can be hot and humid, so carry water and sunscreen. 3. Accessibility awareness. Most of Nice is accessible, but some day trip spots like Èze Village are not wheelchair friendly. Try local foods. Don't miss Niçoise specialties such as socca, salade Niçoise, and fresh seafood. 5. Beach expectations. Beaches in Nice are more pebbly than sandy, but still perfect for a refreshing swim and sunbathing. Whether you're planning your first trip to Nice or just dreaming of the French Riviera, this video will give you a taste of its magic. Now you're about to see the world-famous Hotel Negresco on the Promenade des Anglais. With its pink dome and Belle Epoque architecture, it's one of the city's most iconic landmarks. Since its opening in 1913, it has hosted royalty, artists, and celebrities from around the world. One of the highlights of my trip was taking the Petit Train Touristique up to Castle Hill. It's a fun little road train that winds its way through the charming lanes of Old Town before climbing the hill to the park. Departing about every 20 to 30 minutes, it's a relaxing and scenic way to reach the top without the uphill walk, and the views along the ride make it even more enjoyable. Walking through the charming streets of Nice's old town was an absolute delight. The colorful buildings, narrow cobbled lanes, and lively atmosphere made every corner feel like a step back in time. Exploring the daily market was especially refreshing. The mix of fresh flowers, vibrant produce, local cheeses, and Provençal specialties filled the air with amazing scents and energy. It was the perfect way to soak up the authentic spirit of Nice. That's all for now. See you in my next video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.